So here we are again, ETechGadgets, ETG, that's ETechGadgets in Cincinnati. It's 2018 May, and here's even another model we have. You can quickly tell by looking at it, it's kind of a unique bike with those big tires. That's because it's a 26-inch fat tire bike. Some call it snow, some call it sand. But either way, it's got some big tires on it. Well, again, this is not just a fat tire bike. This is a special bike because that's what we do at ETechGadgets. We build custom high-performance electric bikes, or known as e-bikes. So this short video is going to give you an overview of what this bike's all about. This bike, first off, it has a 1500 watt 72 volt rear hub. It's 1500 watts, so we're over 2 horsepower on this thing. It's got rear disc brakes. It's got pedal assist for pedaling, for automatic instead of using the throttle. It's got a high performance lithium battery pack built in. The lithium batteries are 72 volts. They're 8.4 ampere hours, and they will get you close to 18 miles on a charge without pedaling. And if you want to pedal, it could go 40 miles or plus. It's however much you want to pedal. Again, moving around the bike, front tire, there's front disc brakes and rear disc brakes. This is a hardtail bike and no shocks. You don't really need shocks on a fat tire bike like this. All you have to do is just take 3 pounds of air out of it. This has got a really cushiony ride. You can see the width of these tires. They're 4 inches wide with knobs. So it's great still for getting out on the bike path, and it's still pretty smooth ride even on the city streets. So it's a 7-speed. The 7-speed's pretty much untouched on this. 7-speed sprocket on the cassette on the back, and just a single sprocket up on the front. Again, we're on the right side of this beast, and there's of course the front tire. So let's move around to where we're going to ride this thing. So we can give you an overview of the controls. So first off, we got front and rear brakes, and those are special brakes because they have brake inhibitors. So anytime you pull the brake, it's going to shut the power down. So let's just work our way to the control. So all you do is push this button and hold, and there we go. Color LCD display on this one. Usually they're just monochrome, which are just great. This one here though, this is an upgrade, $39 to get you to the color monitor. Before we get into that, there's also a voltage readout right where you turn on and off, 83.2 volts. So a 72 volt pack, that's nominal, but when you charge it, you'll get to 83.5 volts. So this is fully charged. And then moving to the right side, that's where we have our standard shifter, 7 speeds. We got our thumb throttle, and that's pretty simple. Speedometer, we got our watts, we got the control for the pedal assist, your miles, and again you can flip through it. You got trip, and you got time. So basically keeps track of your trips, and it's a great bike. It's even got cruise control. So all you do is press and hold the bottom button here for 2 seconds while you have the throttle set, and you can put her on cruise. Or optional headlight. There's no headlight on this, but if you touch the front top button and just hold on to it, you'll see a headlight turn on. So it's a simple add-on. If you want to add a headlight, they're only $19.95. No big deal, but this bike, this one's not equipped that way, but no problems. We build bikes any way you want them. And this is the second bike on a fat tire frame that we have. The other one, as you can go look on our YouTube, also in our eBay store. And again, eBay store, we're at ETechGadgets. That's our eBay store. And if you're anywhere near this close to Cincinnati, just hop on Craigslist, Cincinnati, and do a search for ETG. That's ETechGadgets. And you'll find us there too. Just come and pick one up. We've got people driving down from Michigan and driving all the way over from Virginia to buy these bikes, because again, we got some great bikes, brand new, high performance, real reliable, only the best batteries. Again, these are Samsung or LG batteries, only the best 18650 lithium cells. If you do your homework, you know what I'm talking about. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can also just email us. Email us at ETechGadgets. That's ETechGadgets at gmail.com. That's ETechGadgets at gmail.com. So look us up. It's May, and we've got a slew of bikes here to sell. And when I said slew, I really meant it. We got fat tire bikes, we got mountain bikes, we got folding bikes, we got folding 26-inch bikes, we got stowaway bikes, we got small miniature 16-inch folding bikes. Again, these are all electric bikes. And if you really want to play around, we even got modified mini motocross bikes. And again, just check out the YouTube on all these. They each have their own YouTube, and you get all the details on them. And just like I said, just email us at etechgadgets@gmail.com. So I hope you enjoyed the videos. We'll be back. We've got some more bikes we're going to be bringing. We've got about 10 of them in stock right now, but they're getting really popular, and people are just orders are starting to come in. And we'll custom build too. If you got your favorite bike frame, bring it in. We'll electrify it for you. So there you have it. ETechGadgets, ETechGadgets ETG, Cincinnati. Give us a shout. Have a great evening and a great day and a great weekend, and get your butt on one of these e-bikes and get out on the path. So long.